Under the quiet surface of our bodies, intricate molecular music always plays. Our tissues and cells create rhythmic vibrations that ripple through the biological landscape within. Though too soft for the human ear to hear on the skin, this cellular symphony shapes us deeply. Like a cosmic conductor guiding the dance of creation over ages, resonance sculpts reality through the language of vibration. Ancient healing practices worldwide clearly understood that sound can transform and uplift. Modern science stands at the edge of confirming this ancient wisdom, proving empirically how sonic frequencies profoundly affect body, mind, and spirit. New technology now allows us to detect, record, and analyze the details of cellular sound in ways past generations never could. And we have definitively found that acoustic resonance can either heal or harm our delicate cells, depending completely on the exact tones used. Join me on an immersive journey as we attune our minds to the body's hidden harmonies. Let's explore together the primal melody of life within and learn how small shifts in our rhythms and vibrations can optimize vitality. Not all sounds and acoustic frequencies have a good impact on cellular biology. Depending on pitch, strength, and form, the right resonance can heal, uplift, and inspire, while disjointed, disruptive noise can disturb, damage, and destroy at a basic level. Let's explore some of what pioneering science now reveals about exactly how certain sound waves affect and shape the cellular worlds that make up the diverse ecosystems within us. High-intensity, chaotic noise from sources like motors and engines actively destroys delicate cellular structures by rupturing membranes through brute force. Studies confirm industrial noise pollution takes cells apart over time. Low steady pitches in the infrasonic range promote stability, harmony, and synchronous patterns of oscillation that regenerate and strengthen cells at the protein and ion exchange level. Clinical trials show tuning forks calibrated to vibrate at specific therapeutic frequencies, like G at 384 Hz, measurably trigger the release of vital nitric oxide within cell tissues, increasing blood flow and oxygenation, and supporting overall circulatory health. Individual DNA helixes each have identifiable resonant tones like musical notes that empower them. Scientists can purposely vibrate cell samples with these matching bioacoustic activation frequencies to significantly fix distorted DNA sequences and rearrange damaged codons. Soothing harmonic tones in the mid to high sonic range help cells communicate, take in light in mitochondria, and overall tissue repair and healthy growth by improving structural symmetry and spatial alignment. Dissonant, non-harmonic waves with arrhythmic patterns and jagged spectrographs disrupt healthy standing wave symmetry within cell walls, suppress immune responses, and hinder vital metabolic processes. Targeted ultra-low and ultra-high frequency. Ultrasound concentrates therapeutic acoustic vibration within localized tissue areas needing realignment and remodeling mesenchymal cells. Each atom, molecule, and organelle within our cells likely have an ideal, natural resonant frequency key to that of the Earth. Holistic healing intentionally tunes into these levels to bring the body into fuller harmonic alignment through sonic entrainment. While big mysteries remain, we now know enough empirically to practically use the science of cellular resonance for real healing results. The right frequencies introduced properly can potentially dissolve blockages, strengthen immunity, stimulate tissue regeneration, balance hormones, and uplift mood by releasing calming, focusing neurochemicals. On a spiritual level, we can see our multidimensional cellular matrix as an orchestra capable of either hellish dissonance or heavenly harmony, depending on how we conduct its essential energies. Like a careful composer, genetic material is the musical score. Given poor direction, an orchestra stuck in non-rhythmic chaos falls apart over time. But under a caring conductor, individual players merge into transcendent symphonic unity. Subtle shifts in rhythmic sonic sequences ripple through the quantum cellular matrix in nonlinear ways the logical mind struggles to grasp. Just as the right resonant tone can make a crystal goblet shatter, targeted vibro-acoustic medicine can intelligently break apart dis-ease patterns by retuning our biological instrumentation to coherent patterns. With proper guidance, our anatomical ensembles can resolve into glorious harmony, leaving disease no place to hide. Long before technologies like microscopes and oscilloscopes let modern researchers visually confirm the living soundscape within, ancient pre-scientific societies already recognized the hugely transformative power of sound to shape external forms. Their intuitive sight saw inner realms woven of musical forces precipitating the visible world. In India's ancient Vedic texts, the human body contains a central bioacoustic axis called the Sushumna Nadi, around which 7 chakra processing centers spin according to rhythmic patterns matched to specific vibratory rates and qualities. Master yogis believed properly chanting particular primal seed syllables called bija, mantras, stimulates resonance in the chakras, creating bliss states through sympathetic vibration, while clearing blockages in the nadi channels that disrupt cellular health. The honored healing tradition of Ayurvedic medicine describes an elaborate network of energetic meridians, or nadis, flushed by vital life force energies known as prana, or chi. This chi flows regularly in tidal cycles similar to cycles of the sun and moon, keeping our inner music tuned properly. Any stagnation or irregularity in its flow was seen as a core cause of disease. Therapeutic yoga postures help balance flow, while acupuncture uses metal needles to unblock and retune stagnant or disrupted meridians by utilizing precise acupressure points along key nodal intersections. In ancient Greece, the philosopher Pythagoras taught that celestial bodies surrounding the earth resonated based on intrinsic relationships described by harmonic musical intervals, creating the music of the spheres. The ancient Greeks also thought each organ within the microcosmic body temple resonated sympathetically with its macrocosmic analog, whether certain gods, elements, planets, or parts of the universe. When harmony was maintained between these interconnected levels spanning above and below, health and joy prevailed. But disharmony manifested disease. Hence, Hippocrates played soothing lyre music to call the healing muses. Recognizing physical illness often came from some disharmony between flesh and cosmos. Music, too, can be used as a form of medicine. For the musician, playing music can be a form of therapy, and for the listener, it can be a form of healing. For just as the body can be brought into harmony by the right kind of music, so too can the mind and spirit be brought into harmony by the right kind of music. Hippocrates. Indigenous shamanic practices worldwide traditionally use instruments like drums, rattles, flutes, and voices by the principle of entrainment, consciously pacing and aligning an individual's oscillation rates to external rhythms, proven to shift brain waves into healthier patterns. Traditional indigenous songs and rhythms passed down for generations act like medicine, waving away illness at a deep biomolecular level, even when the culture may lack a full conceptual grasp of precisely how. The location, dimensions, geometry, and construction materials used in sacred architecture across ancient cultures often incorporated harmonic proportions derived from musical intervals. Aware that resonance moves beyond physical mediums, mystics designed these psychoacoustic healing temples to tune human biology into harmony with cosmic frequencies to induce trance, expanded awareness, and open inner gateways. Adepts entered these resonant chambers to chant, drum, dance, and meditate as a form of inner technology for merging mind and environment. In many sacred languages, from ancient Sanskrit and Hebrew to Arabic and Mandarin, the words for soul and song share a common root, hinting at our essential human nature as divinely musical beings. This knowledge of inner sound as the link between the material world and heavenly realms above inspired entire civilizations for millennia. While a tremendous amount has yet to be learned about the intricate details of cellular resonance, we now know enough empirically to practically apply several sound healing techniques proven to initiate holistic empowerment. 1. Vocal toning. Intone extended vowel sounds to feel your vibrations permeate cells and tissues. When these ohms resonate through your core, they will release your blocks and open energy flow channels. Enjoy the blissful flow state attained by vocal harmony. 2. Gong baths. Gong baths offer a transformative sound healing experience. Immerse yourself in the ripple tank of therapeutic gong baths, where master percussionists bathe listeners in the harmonic afterglow of symphonic gong arrays. The vibrations from the gongs can retune your natural frequencies, promoting relaxation and well-being. Let the instruments realign your physical, mental, and spiritual elements into synchronization. 3. Drumming. Beat hand drums or percussion in a comfortable seated posture while focusing sensory awareness on the heart center. Moving to follow nature's rhythms balances the nervous system, replenishes depleted cellular energy, and allows us to dance once more to our authentic core pulse. 4. Silent sitting. Schedule a regular time to consciously quiet your system through long stretches of stillness. This helps sharpen sensitivity to detect the subtlest signals of your somatic intuition. Given sufficient practice, you can learn to hear the exquisite micro-music of your living cells. 5. Solfeggio frequencies. Listen to specialized ancient sound scales like the famed miraculous 528 Hz frequency, which direct science confirms nourishes DNA integrity, clears traumas stored in cells, eliminates disruptive parasites, and heals deeply at the biomolecular level. 6. Ecstatic dance. Free your body's innate bio-oscillators through unstructured ecstatic group dance, often accompanied by global beats and lyrics. Release stored tension, toxins, and trauma through unrestrained movements guided only by your authentic inner rhythms. Return to the natural undulations of Source. 7. Mantra chanting. Intone traditional seed syllable mantras linked with archetypal spiritual qualities during meditation. The vibrations enhance mental focus and vivid imagery. Chanting generates measurable energy fields while opening your centers to blissful unity states. 8. Nature immersion. Spend abundant time fully immersed in natural environments filled with negatively charged ions from water and trees. Avoid proximity to dissonant electromagnetic fields from technology that disrupt healthy ion flow. 9. Lymphatic toning. Use your voice to send targeted frequencies into lymphatic regions, stimulating circulation and drainage for detoxification. Discover which notes invigorate your immune function when sung with purpose. Chant your way to optimal health. 10. Cymatic imaging. Observe at home how sonic vibrations alter cells using the science of cymatics, generating mandala patterns with calibrated tuning forks that make inner sound forms visible for study and contemplation. 11. Clinical sound therapy. Consider specialized acoustic treatments from certified clinics using advanced equipment to identify and correct subtle disturbances in your unique frequency profile. Targeted frequencies can restore your oscillations to natural harmony. Gently, yet diligently, explore these resonance techniques in your own experiential laboratory. As skill develops, you gain expanded mastery over body, mind, and life itself through the judicious application of targeted healing frequencies, administered consciously with wisdom, care, and loving intention. Where discernment guides, disease soon dissolves as your cells spin into cosmic alignment. Notice even subtle shifts in habitual vibrational patterns rippling through your system to heal and uplift. I hope this overview of the acoustic sentience within us inspires you to investigate further and incorporate more practical sound healing into your life. When considered together, modern research and ancient wisdom ultimately confirm an integral truth. Our bodies naturally resonate and respond to vibrational principles that shape the material world. With presence, we can detect the body's inner expressions of both harmony and dissonance. By listening within, we understand how cellular resonance can empower or impair holistic well-being. Then, by carefully applying scientific and therapeutic acoustic principles, we recalibrate personal frequencies to ascend into expanded states of vitality, awareness, and balance. Begin noticing the subtle rhythms within. Experiment with techniques that make your cells hum, spiral, and sing. Gradually fine-tune your extraordinary instrument to play the most luminous frequencies of your soul. Soon, dis-ease flees in resonance's presence. May we all listen and learn so that one day we may hear the cosmic music once more.